We have breaking news on a crash on the interchange of Interstates 94 and 29 in South Fargo. You're taking a live look from our Skycam, and it happened about 10 minutes ago. As you can see, traffic is backed up in that area. Luckily, there are no injuries, and traffic speeds are expected to be slowed down dramatically until that mess gets cleaned up. But for weather-wise, we're going to see what tonight looks like. Robert, how's that looking?
Yeah, weather-wise, it is going to be a quiet one, and we are taking a live look outside on the Coronado.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. And again, traffic going to be backed up for a while out there. They'll clean that up here in the next little while. Current temperature here in the Fargo-Moorhead area with some mostly sunny skies, 79 degrees. It feels a touch warmer, 80. Winds out of the northwest at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere, a mix of some 70s and some 80s. Coolest off towards the east where we saw the cloudiness for the longest amount of time, but most of that cloudiness is pushed off towards the east. 71 in Bemidji, 73 Wadena and Detroit Lakes, 80 up in the Grand Forks area, also 80 in Jamestown. Winds starting to calm down in our western counties, but still on the breezy side along and east of the Red River. Still seeing some gusts over 20 miles per hour times. Those winds will slacken off as we head through the overnight hours tonight, but we'll see some strong and gusty winds associated with some showers and storms very late tonight, early tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies now across the region, but we're starting to see some clouds build well off towards the west, and underneath those clouds, a few showers and thunderstorms well off towards the west. Some energy making its way on through the region and going to give us a couple of rounds of some showers and thunderstorms again as we head towards tomorrow morning, and then maybe another round tomorrow afternoon. Already seeing some decent storms down in South Dakota. Those will continue to drift off towards the east and stay south of the region. Across the national map, some showers and thunderstorms in the Rocky Mountains, some showers and storms down in Texas with a couple of severe storms down in that area, and more showers and thunderstorms from the Ohio Valley down into the Tennessee Valley and stretching over into the mid-Atlantic states. For us, as we head through the rest of the evening, get out there and enjoy it. It's going to be a nice evening out there with temperatures slowly dropping on off through the 70s into the 60s. Once the sun sets, we'll start to see those temperatures dip down into the 60s and even some 50s by tomorrow morning. Here comes that energy off toward the west, and by about 3 o'clock in the morning, we're going to start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing in our western counties. They'll slowly drift off toward the east and southeast and Fargo. Looks like we're going to wake up with some rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder. And as we head through the day, this early morning activity looks like it's going to weaken and get on out of here. But then later on in the afternoon, maybe a redevelopment of a few showers and thunderstorms across parts of the Southern Valley. One or two of those storms could be on the strong side with perhaps some damaging wind and some damaging hail. We'll continue to monitor those as they slide on out of here. By tomorrow night, though, things quiet on out. And Saturday, right now, is looking good. Here in Fargo, we'll start off the day with some rainy conditions, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, temperatures in the upper 50s. Then that activity gets on out of here, I think. Temperatures in the mid-70s, still a slight chance for a shower or storm, and then decreasing cloudiness later on in the day and a high temperature into the upper 70s. Picture of the day, thanks so much to Chrissy for sending this in, an East Silent Lake sunset in Dent, Minnesota. We're going to use that as the background to our 7-day forecast, and again, chance for some showers and storms to wrap up your work week. Saturday looking good, and it's looking hot. Temperatures in the mid-80s. Sunday, some late-day thunderstorms may linger into the early morning hours on Monday. And it's not looking the greatest for the eclipse on Monday, but that's still a long way off. A lot of things can change. It's going to depend on how much rain and storms we see Sunday night and early Monday and how quickly they get on out of here. So we'll continue to cross our fingers that we can get those clouds on out.
Absolutely. And cross our fingers for the